Do you want to install apps from the App Store without typing your Apple ID password every single time? In this video, I will show you how to bypass that password prompt safely and easily. Let's get started. First, launch settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option App Store. Now enable for all these options app downloads, app updates, and in-app content. This ensures your device handles downloads automatically. Now next thing you want to do is adjust password options. So close this. So head back. Now navigate to the option apps. From the list of apps, find password. Now scroll down and navigate to the option view autofill settings. Disable for the option autofill passwords and passkeys. Then close settings completely and reopen it. This refreshes the changes. Next, launch settings. Towards the option screen time. Click on the option content and privacy restrictions. Click on the option iTunes and App Store purchases. Make sure you have enabled for all these options, installing apps, deleting apps, and in-app purchases. Now here you're going to find this section require password. Check for don't require. Then you can head back. Now disable for the option content and privacy restrictions. With this, you will be good to go. Now whenever you try to download any app from your app store, you won't need to type in the password. So that's the wrap for this video. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.